Load your family into the 2014 Ford Escape. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front fog lights, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.